Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through all the pre-configured emails included in this boilerplate. They are ready to go out of the box, so there is no extra setup required from you. So, in this boilerplate we have the welcome email, which is automatically sent to new clients upon account creation, the account verification email sent to verify new emails, especially when users sign up with their credentials, password reset email sent to users to reset their passwords. We get the two-factor authentication email sent when users enable two-factor authentication. We get the account creation email. This is sent to clients after they subscribe, prompting them to create their account and begin the onboarding process. We got the subscription receipt email sent to clients upon subscribing to a plan. We got also the affiliate sale email sent each time an affiliate makes a sale. And finally, the affiliate withdrawal request email. This is sent to admins when an affiliate requests a withdrawal. Yeah, that's all. I hope this overview was helpful, and see you in another video.